Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Combine 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 tsp instant yeast, 1 tablespoon sugar, and 1 tsp salt in a bowl, then whisk to blend dry ingredients. Add 1 cup warm water at about 105 degrees F and 1 tablespoon olive oil, then stir until a shaggy, sticky dough forms. Let the mixed dough rest 10 minutes for autolyse before kneading. This short rest hydrates flour and improves gluten development, so the loaf needs less. Knead the dough 6 to 8 minutes until smooth and slightly tacky, or use a stand mixer on low for 4 minutes to reach the same window pane feel without overworking. Place the dough in a lightly oiled bowl, cover with plastic or a damp towel, and proof 45 to 60 minutes in a warm spot until doubled in size. Gently deflate and shape the dough on a lightly floured surface into a loaf, sized to fit your air fryer basket. Tucking seams underneath for surface tension. Preheat the air fryer to 350 degrees F, 180 degrees C, for 5 minutes so it reaches steady heat, then place the shaped loaf on parchment or a small oven-proof pan that fits the basket. Bake at 350 degrees F for 18 to 22 minutes until the crust is golden and an instant thermometer reads 190 degrees F in the center. If the top browns too fast, tent with foil for the last 5 minutes. Cool the loaf on a rack at least 10 minutes before slicing to set the.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.